Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up parental control on your Vivo Y01 device. First, you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's device, on the child's Vivo. To do this, open Settings, scroll down and choose Account. Then choose Account to remove, and choose Remove Account and Remove Account. Tap OK and confirm your pattern. Cool. Now you need to add a child's Google account, but if the child knows the password from his own account, he'll be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link, and therefore, as you need to create an account for the child with a password that only you will know, or ask the child to change the password to one that he will not know. So open Accounts, choose Add Account, choose Google, wait a while, and log in into child's Google account. Enter child's password. Then choose Next. You can turn on backup and choose I agree. Scroll down, choose Accept. And cool. Now go back to Settings menu and choose Google. Then scroll down again, choose Parental Controls, Get Started, and choose Child or Teenager. Tap Next. Tap Next again, wait a while. Choose child's account to supervise, and now you need to log in into your account, your Google account, into parent Google account. So enter your email and enter your password. Then choose Next. Scroll down and enter child's password again. Now choose Agree and Allow supervision. Now choose Next, scroll down and choose Next again. Scroll down, choose Next, and cool. Now choose Skip, and go back to home screen. Now, after setting up parental control on the child's phone, you need to configure it on your own device. To do this, go to Play Store and find here Family Link. Install this application. After installation, open this application. Scroll down and choose Get Started. In this menu you will see the child account you just added. Select it. And here you see that we can fully control the child's phone, block his phone if he uses it for a very long time, and you can also block a separate application. To do this, scroll down, choose View All Apps, and select the application to block. For example, it may be Minecraft. So find Minecraft here, tap on this button and choose block. Wait a while, and as you can see, Minecraft was successfully blocked on this device. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, write comments, and bye. See you.